Hey everyone, if you need to edit multiple photos at once instead of working on them one by one, Photoroom batch editing can save you a huge amount of time. In this video, I'll show you how to use Photoroom batch editing from start to finish in 2026. First, open the Photoroom app or visit the Photoroom website and sign in to your account. If you don't already have an account, create one and access the dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the batch editing, bulk editing, or similar multi-image processing feature. Depending on your plan and platform version, the location may vary. Next, upload all the images you want to edit. Batch editing works especially well for product photos, e-commerce listings, catalog images, and large collections of social media content. After uploading the images, select the editing action you want to apply. Common options may include background removal, background replacement, resizing, cropping, image enhancement, or adding shadows. Choose your desired settings carefully. The selected edits will typically be applied to all uploaded images at the same time. If you're creating product photos, you can choose a consistent background color or style so all images maintain a professional and uniform appearance. And that's how to use Photoroom batch editing in 2026. With automated editing tools and bulk processing capabilities, you can edit dozens or even hundreds of images much faster than working manually. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.